Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Mabel Juliano Dalupinas, 28 years old from Philippines. I am a single with one child. I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in General Education. I am a Roman Catholic. We are 5 siblings and I am the fourth. My hobby, since I am a teacher, I can do tutor and assisting kids in their take-home activities. I like reading and writing short stories. I like cooking and I like playing sports also. I work as a domestic helper in Jordan for 5 years since 2019 to 2024. My main duties are taking care of the baby, children, and elderly. I am also responsible in everything inside the house. I can do cleaning, ironing, cooking, and everything also. I take good care of the pets, 2 cats, and 1 dog. Mom and Sir, if you will choose me as your helper, I will rest assured you that I will do my best. I will be a responsible and a trustworthy. I will love and serve you as my own family. I can work under pressure also, and I can do in a flexible time. I hope to see you in Hong Kong. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder how you are up above the sky so high, like a diamond in the sky. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little children wants to play. Thank you, Mom.